Hi, my name is Melissa Godfrey, and this is my UDL Instructional Plan project demonstration. I will be focusing on the portion of the lesson plan where the students are using the resource Seesaw. Seesaw is a great resource. It can be used in all different grade levels from pre-K all the way into high school. It is very engaging and academic focused, and students actually are enjoying sharing their learning. And it also is a great way to hold students accountable for their learning. Seesaw covers all different areas for the Universal Design for Learning guidelines. So all of the principles are infused in the app, the Seesaw app. For this lesson, the focus is in representation. So students are able to share their learning in multiple ways. So the students are able to display their information and customize their information in a way that works best for them. This includes real images they can take with a camera on the iPad and upload to Seesaw. It also includes the drawing feature. Students can use the different tools in Seesaw to draw pictures. Students can add videos. Also, they can record their own voices. So for this lesson, Seesaw is focusing on in the area of using multiple means of representation. However, Seesaw is also extremely engaging. Students are hands-on. They are really focused on what they are learning. And it definitely eliminates and reduces threats and distractions because students are super focused on using this tool and sharing their learning. So this lesson focuses first on the introduction of what a living thing is and what a non-living thing is, and students are encouraged to go on a observation walk around the classroom where they view images, real photographs, real images of different living things and non-living things and have peer discussions. This is prior to the instruction. Then after that, the students meet together and discuss what they saw. And then the teacher explicitly teaches the difference between living and non-living things using real photographs. After the teacher explicitly teaches the content, then students are asked to actually apply that knowledge. So the students use iPads to go outside and take real pictures using their iPad. And then once they're taking those pictures on their iPads, they're able to do that, which is really, really simple. They can upload those right into Seesaw. Students can make a file of living things and then a file of non-living things. So here are some examples of what students have done on Seesaw. They were able to go outside and find different things in their world of living things and non-living things. So they found turtles actually outside, and they found plants, and they were able to, and you could see the student holding the iPad and able to take the picture. They're writing their name, so they're using writing skills, and they're writing the word living, and then they can make another project for non-living. And then these are different living things that they saw, and they can record their voice to explain their learning and their thinking. And here are some other examples of living things. They took a picture of their teachers as a living thing. And then this was super easy for them to access. When students were able to come back into the classroom after they took the pictures, some students chose to go on a Seesaw and actually create their projects of living things and non-living things and use the Seesaw app. Some students chose to use the magazine cutout activity where they were cutting out different pictures, but Seesaw allows for students to really be hands-on with the learning and share their thinking, and they don't have to all do the same thing. It's not cookie cutter. I did give in the lesson plan choice, so students could use a cutout activity like this where they got a magazine and they could sort if that's what they chose to do. And then they could take a picture of their chart and upload it to Seesaw, and then actually use the Seesaw app to record their thinking. So there's so many different ways to use Seesaw. I'm going to show you just some of the examples. So these are just some examples of what students have done. And then once it's uploaded, students can record their voice and we can share it with the class, or I could share it with parents. And I could also see their work and what they have done. So the option for Seesaw is great, and allowing students that flexibility is super helpful. So they can use pictures they took, or they can use pictures that they found in a magazine and still upload it to Seesaw. So Seesaw is a great resource, and it can be used in all subject areas. Thank you for listening to my presentation.